In this video, we're going to be showing you guys the ultimate monopod. And no, I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about this. Yeah, that's right.
Today we have a monopod and it is going to be the ultimate monopod. You see, the problem with monopods is that when you make them big, they get a bit wobbly. You try putting it on a camera, let's see, plug this in right there, and you're in trouble. Biggest problem with this is the feet. They're just a bit too short. So for monopods, what you really need to do is limit the height to around this much, and then you got a stable one. Anything higher than that, it's a bit too wobbly and dangerous, and I wouldn't trust it whatsoever. So anyway, what I've got is an experiment here, and I've got the ultimate monopod, and this one should solve all of our problems in the history of the world. I'll just open it up. So this is actually a projector stand. It's not a monopod by official, but look at the legs. Look how wide the legs are, and let's just lock it into place. Let's see how high it will go. There you go, lock that into place. It is very long. Let's see if it's longer than this guy. Alright, so these guys are about the same height. And let me just show you the feet right there. One has an incredibly long feet and one has little baby feet. I'm just going to set this guy up. I'm going to be using one of these Joby GorillaPod stands. Hook it up in there. Line this up like there. And let's see if it will survive the camera test. Look at that. I'm shaking it and it's stabilizing. It's not even on a straight surface. This bit is slightly raised because I got a second carpet. And
shake it again. Shake it.
Look at that. Very sturdy. As you can see, I'm actually impressed. It actually functions really well. There you go. The ultimate monopod. Look at that. It actually works. You know, I've been spending the last 2 years of my life searching for monopods, Googling, checking every single video in the history of the world about stabilized monopods, and I've tried a lot out. This one has been the best one I've used because it was cheap as hell. $30. You don't get the stability up to the top. You need to be always holding it. But this one over here, it's stable, it's nice and rugged. So what you need to search for on eBay is projector stand. This one, $30. I got it, and it works just like a monopod. Just hook it up. Look at that. You can even take amazing selfies. Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, your boy AC, check it out. I got a magic wand. Works exactly like a monopod. You know, you got nice little stability over there. Opens up. Very easy to use, very quick, very light, compact. Let's just compact it up. I guess this is the smallest it goes, so it's still pretty tight. I guess it's not as short as maybe this one can go. Let's see. So, slightly longer, but I guess it's worthwhile if you're looking to get stability in your world. Hope you found this video useful, and why is this guy still spinning? Let's lock it into place. Hope you found this video useful, and that's right, the best monopod you can get isn't a monopod after all, it's a projector stand. Look at that. It also comes with one of these ball heads. I don't want to use this, it's rubbish. And for all you fashionistas out there, look at that, the ultimate of travel. Hello! I'm a projector stand that doubles as a monopod. Final notes, in case you don't know, the reason why a monopod is better than a tripod is that it doesn't take up much space when you're doing a shoot and you have to have a tripod that's as wide as the world, like this, taking up the entire space of the shooting area, doesn't work so well. Good thing about monopod, you still can walk around over here. You got space to move. You can dance around, and it doesn't take up much space. So yeah, monopods are great for storage. This one is kind of like a tri-monopod because I'm saying this is a tripod base with a monopod reach. And he's very tall. How tall is it? It's about.
How tall are you?
About 1.5 meters.
This is the tap test. It's pretty decent, right? One more thing, we do not take any responsibility if you use this and your camera falls over in a gale force wind. Links in the description below.
I'm proper rocking it. I'm like proper. Whoa. You know, I don't like this camera anyway. Alright, you had to. To get it to knock over, you have to do. Oh. It is possible. It is possible to knock over. Just don't kick it like I was doing.